What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're out here in Tucson for a little Christmas Eve bash with my dad. But me and Kate are actually camping tonight, probably on this Three Feathers Trail. It's like an 8 out of 10, I think it is, or 7 out of 10, but should be fun. Onyx never does a good rating system, I feel like, but we'll see how this trail is. Also, meet our new pup, Penelope. She just threw up in the back seat all over our covers for when we go camping tonight, so that's pretty awesome. But she's a cutie. She's a lab corgi mix, and this is her first camping trip, so let's hope she doesn't puke anymore on this trail. Hey, you can film. Film whatever you want. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, please give me a thumbs up and drop a comment below. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free. It really helps me out and helps me make good content for you guys. Now back into the scheduled off-road carnage. All right, everybody, we made it to camp and we are all set up, just enjoying the sunset right now. Penelope puked one more time on the trail, so we got to get her used to that because we're gonna be doing a lot of that. Finn's a good boy and he kind of just sits in the back of the truck. She puked twice, but this trail's honestly pretty cool and I'm excited to finish it up tomorrow and see what type of obstacles we have up here. So far, it's been pretty easy, but it's been fun. It's been fun for an Arizona trail, I have to say. It's kind of like Cleghorn in California. There's like the main forest road and then you can like do some offshoots. And then eventually when you get down to the end, there's a waterfall, which is pretty cool. So I hope we can make it there tomorrow, but I don't think there's gonna be any water in it. But we're gonna hang out and enjoy the sunset, drink some beers, hang out, and then I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Smells good.
We should do s'mores. Why do we always forget that?
You didn't even want to sit by the campfire with me, so.
I do like it there. I like sitting up high.
What the hell just happened?
There's been a breach, Director.
I know.
Red has been taken.
What?
All right, guys, good morning. We woke up a little bit ago, made some coffee, enjoyed the sunset, took the dog potty. Thankfully, our new puppy Penelope didn't poopy or pee-pee in the tent because that would have sucked. But she survived all night. We had a couple people roll through this trail at like fucking 11 o'clock at night. And I heard them like pull up and then stop right here. And they're probably, what the hell? And then they just kept going on the trail. But yeah, they didn't bug us, which is pretty good. But yeah, we're gonna put the tent down, pack everything up, and go on and finish this trail. It's been a pretty fun one. 3 feathers out in Tucson, and then we're gonna head over to my dad's little Christmas KOA camp. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Let's get it started. All right, everybody, we have a dilemma here. We might be late for Christmas dinner at the KOA in Benson. So I'm debating on doing this pretty cool obstacle and then probably turning around, which is kind of a bummer because I wanted to finish this trail, but I guess me and Parker can come up here one of these times. He's all mad at me because he wanted me to do this trail with him right off the bat. But all right, guys, I'm going to make an executive decision here and say let's head back onto the main road and kind of go enjoy Christmas because we're going to be with family and do all that. So we're still going to hit all the fun sections out of this trail, but we'll leave the fun stuff for me and Parker. So yeah, we're going to turn around right here, head back through this trail, hit all the hard sections on that, and then enjoy Christmas with the family because that's what it's about. And I don't want to ruin Christmas for off-roading.
Okay. ass rock.
All right, everybody, we finished that trail. We just stopped on the side of the road to make some breakfast, and now we're gonna head over to the KOA for Christmas Eve with my dad. And I appreciate you guys watching today. It was really fun doing some fun off-road stuff, but we're definitely gonna have to go back and hit that trail with Parker in the future, because I really want to get into the nitty-gritty of Three Feathers Trail, because we pretty much did like the beginning opening area and didn't really hit the hard section. So appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, and peace out. Bye.